Hello and welcome to this video about character design. We find characters in animated serials, movies, advertisements, logos, etc. There are basically three types of characters: mascots, animated characters, and fictional characters. Mascots are either a person or a thing that brings good luck to the organization it is used by. They are the forefront of their organization and can be used to represent a company or a brand. Some of the examples include Rich Uncle Pennybags from Monopoly, Michelin Man for the French tire company Michelin, Maharaj, the mascot for Air India, the Amul Girl, which is seen in Amul's packaging and advertisements, and Zuzus, Vodafone's cheerleaders. Animated characters are usually found in animated movies and comics. Some famous fictional characters include Sherlock Holmes. This character can be seen in books as well as movies. Let's have a look at an exercise we could do. So which character comes to your mind when you see these 5 words? Maybe Hermione Granger, Kevin Hart, or Annabeth Chase. Let's look at another example. Now, you can do this exercise on your own by using these 3 sets of attributes. Before we move on to designing a character, let's see what are caricatures. Caricatures is a pictorial representation in which the subject's distinctive features are deliberately exaggerated to produce a comic effect. This is one of the techniques with which we can develop unique characters. Whenever we draw caricatures, the person we are trying to depict should be recognizable. Some features need to be exaggerated, otherwise we will just be making a portrait. Caricatures are more than just drawing faces or body parts. The caricature must make a bold statement. There are 4 distinct features on a face which could be exaggerated: the head shape, eyes, nose, and the mouth. Maintaining correct proportions of these features to one another while exaggerating them can produce good results. To get started with caricatures, you can refer to this example where the overall face structure is simplified to understand the proportions. Now, let's see some of the important points which make a good character design. The first is to understand the reason why the character is designed. You don't want to make a scary looking character for a kid's brand. The character and its features should cater to the purpose it is made for. Speaking about the features, remember that your character has to stand out. Try to exaggerate some of the features as you learned from drawing caricatures. Like in this case, the ears are circular and large. Also, the unique face structure makes it immediately recognizable. This character features exaggerated arm muscles. Also develop the different expressions of your character along with action poses. While trying to draw a character's face, we can accentuate the emotions by exaggerating the proportions and going to the extremes of one's face. Coming to the colors. A basic psychology observed is that dark and gloomy colors are associated with evil characters. Light and pastel colors can be used for bright and positive characters. There are many ways to demonstrate a character's personality. You can do this with the help of its face expression, posture, and even shape. Character design is quite stereotypical. For example, harsh straight lines and sharp pointed ends can associate to the character being evil. On the other hand, smooth lines and round shapes can associate with kindness and softness. However, these associations are all based on context, and it may vary depending on the reference. Now, let's see some examples of characters that were designed keeping in mind their personality. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one.